Hello friends, how are you? My name is Gaurav and I am from Gaurav Studio. In today's video, I am going to show you the installation of the Miraz hair patch. Basically, this patch have the real skin effect. Whenever someone sees upset from your head, he sees the real skin effect. Basically, this patch comes with the life of near about 6 to 8 months. So I will suggest you, if you have a good budget and you can go for twice a year, so it is the best patch available in the market right now. So go and watch out the video and let me know in the comments, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.
You say you'll be down in 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do. I know that I'll be a mess the second that I see you. You won't be surprised, it happens every time, it's nothing new. It's always on a night like tonight. I thank God you can read my mind, 'cause when you look at me with those eyes, I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless, you already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I'm speechless. It started when you said hello, just did something to me. And I've been in a daze ever since the day that we met. You took the breath out of my lungs, can't even fight it, and all of the words out of my mouth without even trying. And I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless, you already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I'm speechless. Yeah, yeah. It's always on a night like tonight. I thank God you can read my mind.